Welcome to this beginner's meditation by Meditation with COZ. If this is your first time meditating, I want you to know that there is nothing you need to get right. You don't need to clear your mind. You don't need to stop your thoughts. You don't need any experience. All you need to do is allow yourself these next few minutes. So let's begin. Find a comfortable position. You can sit in a chair with your feet resting on the floor, or you may prefer to lie down. Get comfortable and allow your hands to rest wherever feels right for you. And just gently close your eyes. And just take a moment to notice that you've given yourself permission to pause. There is nowhere else you need to be. Nothing else you need to do. Just for these next few minutes, allow yourself to be here. Take a slow, gentle breath in through your nose and softly breathe out through your mouth. Again, breathing in and breathing out. Again, breathing in through your nose and softly breathing out. And one more time, a nice slow breath in and a long, slow breath out. And now simply allow your breathing to find its own natural rhythm. So breathing in gently through your nose and breathing out just as smoothly and gently through your nose. Settling into your own natural rhythm. There's no need to force it, no need to control it. Just notice your breath and notice the air entering your body and notice it leaving again. Breathing in, breathing out. If thoughts come into your mind, that's completely normal. In fact, I expect them to. Your mind creates thoughts. That's what minds do. So if you notice yourself thinking, planning, remembering, worrying, just simply notice it and then gently bring your attention back to your breath. Breathing in, breathing out, feeling that breath come in and out of your body without any judgment. No frustration. If your mind wanders, just gently return back to this moment and back to your breathing. And as you continue to breathe nice and gently in and out, now bring your awareness to your body. Notice where your body is making contact with the chair, the sofa, the bed or the floor beneath you. Notice the support underneath you. Notice that in this moment you are safe. There's nothing to solve, nothing to fix, nothing to figure out, just breathing and just being. And as you continue to breathe gently, imagine that with each breath in, you're breathing in calm. And with each breath out, you're letting go of tension. Breathing in calm and breathing out any tension. Breathing in peace and breathing out stress. Breathing in ease and breathing out anything you no longer need to carry right now. And just take a few moments just to simply sit with that, breathing in the calm and releasing anything you don't need to carry, and just allow your breath to support you. And with every breath, allow your body to soften more and more. Breathing in, feeling that peace, and breathing out and letting any tension or stress just be released. Allowing your body to soften, allowing your mind to settle in its own time. Now I'd like you to notice how you're feeling, not how you think you should feel, not how you want to feel, just how you actually feel right now. Whatever is here is okay. There is nothing to change, nothing to judge, simply notice. And simply being present. And if your mind has wandered away during this meditation, that's okay too. The moment you noticed and returned your attention, you were meditating. That's the practice. It's not having no thoughts. It's about gently returning to the present moment again and again. Breathing in, breathing out. And let's just see if we can stay with our breath just for a few moments. Breathing in that calm and breathing out anything that takes your mind away. Breathing in, breathing out, enjoying this time that's just for you. And now let's take a slightly deeper breath in and slow breathe that out through your mouth. Another deep breath in through your nose. And a gentle breath out through your mouth. And begin to bring some awareness back into your body by wiggling your fingers, wiggling your toes, perhaps rolling your shoulders, maybe even stretching if that feels good. And before we finish, take a moment to acknowledge yourself. You showed up today. You gave yourself this time, and that matters. Meditation isn't about perfection. It's about practice. It's about returning one breath, one moment, one day at a time. So when you're ready, gently open your eyes and carry this sense of calm with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for meditating with me.